Hello everyone. Today I will make the salmon with hummus and with a little salad. So first for salmon I am putting salt, pepper and rosemary. And basically same from the other side. Hummus with chicken pie. So I have already ready once, but it's bio and good one. Actually better to boil them from fresh ones, but time to time I'm using those ones just to be faster, and they are still good. I like them. So we need to get rid of water. So also as a preparation I need one garlic. They already salt because they are cooked already, that's why I'm just putting garlic and teaspoon of mustard. Basically that's it. And now time for milk. That is ready. Fish is also ready. So it's take about 5 minutes. And now we will make our lovely salad. For the salad I have spinach. Just I will put them like this without cutting them. Just wash and ready to go. And then we will have red paprika, green onions, two, 3 tomatoes, squeeze lemon juice, olive oil, vinegar, a little curcuma, half avocado and sesame. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please also subscribe to the channel. Also like this video if you like content. Because healthy food, happy life. Bye.